Welcome to Fun Facts Daily, your source for just the good stuff. Monday through Friday, we're bringing fun facts and news you can use, all carefully curated to uplift and inform. So give yourself a break, relax, and learn something awesome in just a few minutes every day. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to Fun Facts Daily. I'm your host Kyle Wood, and today we'll be learning about bats. But before we get into the facts, let's warm up our brains with a little challenge to see if you can tell fact from fiction. Consider this. You've probably heard the saying, blind as a bat, suggesting that these nocturnal creatures can't see a thing. But is that really the case? What do you think? We'll find out at the end of the episode. Now for your word of the day. Our word for today is echolocation. Echolocation is the process by which certain animals, like bats and dolphins, emit sounds and interpret the echoes that bounce back from objects in their environment. This sophisticated sensory ability allows them to navigate, hunt for prey, and avoid obstacles in complete darkness. It's a natural form of sonar. The term echolocation was coined in 1938 by American zoologist Donald Griffin, who, along with Robert Galambos, conducted groundbreaking research on bat navigation. The word itself is a combination of echo, referring to the reflection of sound, and location, signifying the ability to pinpoint and position objects. This fascinating adaptation has evolved independently in various animal groups, from bats to whales, highlighting the incredible power of natural selection to produce remarkably effective and diverse survival strategies across the animal kingdom. It's a great example of convergent evolution in action. Time for your daily high five, our top 5 fun facts about bats. Number 1, bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. While other mammals like flying squirrels can glide, bats are the only ones with true powered flight. Their wings are actually modified forelimbs with elongated fingers that support a thin membrane of skin called a patagium. This unique anatomical structure allows them incredible maneuverability and precision in the air, making them exceptional aerialists. This adaptation sets bats apart from other mammals and has allowed them to colonize diverse environments across the globe. Their flight capabilities are so advanced they can even hover in place or fly backwards, skills that are crucial for hunting insects on the wing or navigating complex cave systems. Number 2, a single bat can eat up to 1,000 mosquitoes in just 1 hour. This incredible feeding prowess makes bats vital allies in pest control, especially in agricultural areas and regions with high insect populations. Many bat species are insectivores, meaning their diet consists primarily of insects, and their nocturnal hunting habits align perfectly with the peak activity times for flying pests like mosquitoes and moths. Think of them as nature's tiny airborne bug zappers. By consuming vast quantities of insects, bats significantly reduce the need for chemical pesticides, contributing to a healthier ecosystem and supporting biodiversity. Their voracious appetites help to keep mosquito and other insect populations in check, which also helps to prevent the spread of insect-borne diseases. Number 3, the world's largest bat, the giant golden-crowned flying fox, has a wingspan of up to 5.5 feet, while the smallest bat weighs less than a penny. The giant golden-crowned flying fox is native to the Philippines. It looks more like a small dog with wings than a typical bat. It has a wingspan of up to 5.5 feet or 1.7 meters and weighs around 3.5 pounds or 1.6 kilograms. Despite the intimidating size, there's no need to be scared of the megabat. It's a fruit-eating bat and plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by dispersing seeds. In stark contrast, the smallest bat in the world is the Kitti's hog-nosed bat or bumblebee bat, found in Thailand and Myanmar. This tiny marvel is only about 1.1 to 1.3 inches. That would be about 3 centimeters, with a wingspan of around 6 to 6.5 inches or 15 centimeters. It only weighs 1.5 to 2 grams. That's less than a penny in the US. Compare that to an average bat, which would have a wingspan ranging from around 8 to 16 inches and weighing around 40 grams. This incredible diversity highlights the vast range of adaptations within the bat species, allowing them to fill diverse ecological niches. Number 4. Some bats can live for decades, making them among the longest-lived small mammals. While the average lifespan for many small mammals is just a few years, certain bat species defy this trend, demonstrating remarkable longevity. For example, the Brandt's bat, a small European species, is known to live for over 30 to 40 years in the wild, which is extraordinary for an animal its size and metabolic rate. This extended lifespan is the subject of ongoing scientific research. Scientists believe that factors contributing to their longevity may include their ability to hibernate, which slows down their metabolism, and their relatively low reproductive rates. Understanding the mechanisms behind bat longevity could provide valuable insights into the aging process in other mammals, including humans. And our fifth and final fun fact for today: bats are crucial for pollinating over 500 species of plants, including agave and bananas. While bees and other insects often get all the credit for pollination, bats are incredibly important pollinators, especially in tropical and desert ecosystems. Many plants have evolved to rely specifically on bats for pollination, often producing flowers that open at night and have strong, musky scents to attract their nocturnal visitors. This process is called chiropterophily. When bats feed on nectar, pollen sticks to their fur and is then transferred to other flowers as they move from plant to plant, facilitating reproduction. Without bats, many of our favorite fruits and nuts would not exist, underscoring their irreplaceable role in maintaining biodiversity and supporting human agriculture. Now for some news you can use. If you're interested in attracting bats to your yard, a great tip is to consider planting night-blooming flowers or creating a water source. Bats, especially those that are insectivores, are naturally drawn to areas where they can find food and drink. Plants like evening primrose, moonflower, and night-blooming jasmine can attract insects that bats feed on, making your yard a more appealing spot for them to visit. Additionally, providing a clean water source, like a bird bath or a small pond, can offer a bat a place to drink and rehydrate, particularly during dry periods. By creating a bat-friendly environment, you'll not only be supporting these beneficial creatures, but also potentially reducing the number of pesky insects around your home, naturally without chemicals. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. At the beginning of the episode, I asked if it's true that bats are really blind. Well, that's a fallacy. While bats are famous for their incredible echolocation abilities, which allow them to navigate and hunt in complete darkness using sound, they are by no means blind. In fact, all bat species can see, and some, particularly the large fruit bats, have excellent vision, especially in low light conditions. Their eyes are well adapted for crepuscular, or dawn and dusk, or nocturnal vision at night. They use their sight for a variety of purposes, including long-distance navigation and detecting predators. So, while blind as a bat has become a common expression, it's just not true. These amazing creatures have a full suite of sensory tools at their disposal, including perfectly functional eyesight. I hope you enjoyed learning a bit about bats with me today, and be sure to tune in every weekday for even more fun facts. Fun Facts Daily is an Airwave Media podcast. It was written, recorded, mixed, and edited by me, Kyle Wood. Thanks for sharing a part of your day with me. Be sure to follow Fun Facts Daily on your favorite podcast app so you can keep the good stuff coming your way every day. And if you like the show, please do me a favor and leave a kind rating, review, or just tell your friends about it.